This is Storm Chaser Lucas Munslinger, and I'm on a supercell thunderstorm.
I won't tell.
I'm looking north.
My lighting trick on top. Any lighting bolts I get, or then the sensor will pop. The sensor will pop.
Hey, sirens! We got sirens. Ooh, nice bolt. Right over the... Beautiful looking storm. I think that's our wall cloud right over to the right.
We've already established that. There's your feeder band.
Mm-hmm. This is Storm Chaser Lucas Munslinger, just south of Bonne Terre, looking at tornado warning.
There's not a tornado yet. So this is our info that's going into the storm. Okay? That might be the only thing. I think we have a secondary wall cloud, guys.
Right up
To the left.
there.
Oh, right there. Right here. You see that little bitty like square part coming down? Okay. You see all this flowing in? Okay. That's what we were thinking of doing. You very well might be, but I think we have a secondary one. Yeah, that's what's flowing into the storm. Okay? So what we want to look at
Phone down on.
is this part that's lowering, where that is flowing into. We want to watch right there, but then there's something happening over here on the left corner of it.
It's not like actively going this way.
See a boat pulling down, like right there. It's not fancy. Yeah, so let's just keep watching.
Hi, Michelle. Share this video. Amazing looking storm. Beautiful.
It's cool they get to live here, you know, have a bonfire, watch the storm go down.
So, right in front of me is the wall cloud.
Do you see this on the left hand side though?
Yeah, I see.
I can see the sunlight is coming down. That is weird. I can't tell if it's rotating.
Yes, I northeast. Thank you. Listen, my words are not all there today. I'm playing with the camera. Oh my goodness, look at this, Caleb. Look at this photo. That is a really photo for a wide angle like this. Hey, Lucas, touch this fence for me real quick. I'm just kidding. There's not electrical. Just barbed wire. Yeah. I'm just playing. Your GoPro just fell, buddy. Might want to take care of that before a car comes. I don't think you're such. a little bit, but if you look at the video here, it actually shows it much better than. Yeah, I mean, you can definitely see it's recycling on the right side here. You can see. Oh. Okay, I gotta fix this. Anybody that just enjoyed that lightning shot, you are welcome. I am.
Thank you.
As lightning's starting to get closer, we're gonna pop this. Son of a gun. Moments ago, probably like 30 minutes ago, we had tornado sirens here. This is some gorgeous structure.
There's some loud tornado sirens to hear from here, all the way from Bonne Terre.
Lucas, I would not put that so close to the edge of the car now. Put it more in the middle or something. Trying to help him. I'm in Bonne Terre, Missouri. I'm sorry that I do not have a
Lucas,
description up.
With the suction cup.
Put it on my hood. That could help you. Look at that. I think, you know what?
It's starting to restructure.
Oh, yeah. Like, here's our vault. There's our vault right there.
Mm-hmm.
And what's that bowl right there?
That's starting to do wall cloud there, maybe too.
You see this bowl having on the left side of the storm? You see the bowl having on the left side too?
Yeah, we've been watching that. Thinking Sisters?
You know how awesome that would be?
It would, except we are in a bad spot.
We are in a really bad spot. I don't understand. We are in such a bad spot, ladies and gentlemen. Originally, this thing was going more northeast, and it's really starting to. Lucas, hurry! There's a car coming. Hey.
I would just stop with it.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
It's too windy for it. You might be better off holding it.
Look how low that is over there now.
Oh, yeah.
Very low off to the right with our wall clouds. We have a what could possibly be maybe another lowering off to the left. We might be in an okay spot the more I look at this. Look at the rotation.
Down?
Yes.
Hey guys, local PD reported a tornado.
Yeah, we see it. What do you think?
Which
Yeah.
way? Which way?
Right there in front of us. Yeah, hey, look at this. You can see it clear as day.
Oh, yeah. It's right there. It's that lighter cloud right in the middle. It's going down. It's going down.
Woo! Possibly, we could possibly have a tornado in front of us. Local PD has reported a tornado on the ground.
It is.
This is Bonne Terre, Missouri. Nope, wait. What's that thing off to the
It's
left?
dropping. Right in that. Right
Yep.
there.
Look. Right in the middle, right there. Yep, there it is. Can you see? Do you see the connection going down?
Yes.
Oh yes.
That is beautiful.
This is gonna suck when it passes off to our north and we can't keep up with it.
Can't see it now.
Nope.
It is probably touch and go. Another like a touch and go thing.
Yeah. I don't
But
know. Look at this.
If it's dropped one, it'll drop another. Hopefully, right
There might be a
yeah.
little funnel right there.
I see it.
I'm
I
really.
got it right there in his live feed.
Suction cups. Bugs.
See what we're talking? That little. if you
On
look
my
down
end,
your
it does
video
not show
here,
it's blurry.
Right there.
But maybe that will help you guys.
Right out there in the middle.
I try to zoom in. I mean, I try to
And
focus a little bit.
It's dropping. It's dropping. It's getting closer to the ground.
Yep. I don't know if you guys can see that little smudge right there in the middle. I mean, I'm on a phone here, so I don't know if me zooming in will help any, but I'll try. It doesn't look like I can zoom in. But I will have stills and video from another camera. Look, I'm trying to focus this, folks, and I don't know if it's. I don't know what's really going on here with my camera. I'm trying to talk to both of you guys. Like, He's a friend. We're watching the storm together. I'm trying to talk with you guys, but a lot of you guys are complaining that to zoom in or focus, and on my end it shows it's focused. On my end it doesn't show it's blurry. I will come back to you guys in a bit after it passes this tree.